Hey there guys, today we're checking out something a little different on the channel. This is a teleprompter designed to make your talking shots feel more natural and engaging. It lets you read your script while maintaining eye contact with your audience, helping your delivery feel more personal. So this is the Elgato Prompter XL, an upgraded and much larger version of the original Elgato Prompter. With a bigger display, you can now use it from much further away and still clearly read your text from up to 15 feet. This connects to your PC and it works as an extra display, so you can also use it as a secondary screen for things like playing a video, checking your Twitch chat, or hopping on a virtual call, making this a very versatile setup. This is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android. You can pick up the Prompter XL for $599 US. It's definitely on the pricier side, but the convenience that this brings is unmatched. It streamlines your workflow, makes your content creation process smoother, and it packs some genuinely useful features that helps you stay efficient. So if you're interested in picking one up, I will leave the link in the description. Now, before we get into how it performs, let's talk about the build quality, because that's one of the first things that I noticed when I unboxed it. While it's mostly made of plastic, there is an internal metal frame that makes this feel very sturdy. The entire setup weighs about 6.6 pounds without the camera bracket, and when you add that on, it weighs in at 7.7 pounds. Honestly, this doesn't feel cheap at all. It gives you a solid and professional impression right out of the box. When it comes to assembly, Elgato made things really simple. On the bottom, you'll find 3 screw holes, 1 3/8 mount, and 2 1/4 mounts. I definitely recommend setting this up on a heavy-duty tripod and using 2 screws to keep it in place. It can easily tip over if you're using a lightweight tripod, or it can move around if you're only using 1 screw. On the back, you can attach one of the 2 included back plates. One is designed for your camera lens to slide from the top. The nice thing is that this comes with several step-up rings to fit different lens cap sizes, ranging from 49mm to 82mm. These are very simple to screw onto your lens cap. If none of the step-up rings fit your lens, you can use the included shroud. That one's made to work with camcorders, webcams, or pretty much any setup that doesn't use traditional lenses. With the previous prompter model, the unit would hang directly from the camera lens, but the camera has its own mounting bracket now, and you can easily adjust the height to align perfectly with the lens opening. The bracket is 22 centimeters long, making it compatible with longer lenses. It also works great with zoom lenses that extend as you zoom in, allowing you to quickly adjust the camera further back or closer. I also like that this bracket is long because I can add my V-mount battery plate and attach my V-mount battery to power on my camera monitor and keep my camera battery charged. The total weight that this bracket can support is 11 pounds, which is enough to support my camera setup, but you won't be able to put a heavily rigged out camera on this. On the front side, there are small locking tabs that hold the 70/30 beam splitting glass in place, and this is the part that reflects your text for you to read, while the display underneath is what actually projects it. You can easily remove the glass to clean it when it gets dusty, and Elgato even included a microfiber cloth for that. The display attaches to this area magnetically, so just bring the display close with the USB port facing away from you and it snaps right into place. The magnets are strong enough to keep it secure, but still easy enough for you to remove it by hand. Honestly, a clever use of magnets. The display they're using now isn't just an upgrade in size, it's also a higher resolution. It's a 15.6-inch 1080p screen, so your text looks much sharper than before. It also gets pretty bright with a brightness of 600 nits, and honestly, the color reproduction on this is really good. So if you wanted to, you could even watch your favorite shows on here and actually enjoy it. The Prompter XL connects to your PC or laptop through a single USB-C 3.2 Gen cable that handles both power and video. The included cable is 8.8 feet long, so it should easily reach most setups. Just keep in mind that the display does require 15 watts of power to turn on, so make sure your laptop or computer USB-C port can output that. The original Elgato Prompter didn't have a power button, so seeing one added here is definitely handy. What would have made this even better though is if that power button was moved to the top. I feel like it'd be a lot easier for those of you that will be setting this up on your desk to reach, since you wouldn't have to reach all the way behind it. Not a big deal, just a small improvement that could have made this even better. A really cool thing is that this features a long cold shoe rail across the top, which lets you mount multiple accessories like lights or other small gear. And this is where I mounted my camera monitor on so I can check my framing and make sure I'm recording. And I also have a little small light on this, just in case. Now moving on to the software. The camera hub for this is actually really easy to use and it's free. On the left side, you'll find all your main controls like output settings and even a way to turn the display on or off directly from the software. What's nice is that this doesn't fully disconnect the display. It just dims it down to 0 brightness. That way you don't get that quick screen refresh on Windows when you disconnect the display. You can also flip the image horizontally, change the screen orientation, and adjust the brightness and contrast to get the perfect balance for reading your script comfortably. So from here, you can also choose how you want this to behave, whether that's using it as an external display to drag other windows onto it, displaying a text from the Elgato app, or even showing your Twitch chat feed. In this next section, you can customize how the text looks. You can adjust the reading position, change the color and the size of the text, and fine tune it to what feels more natural to you. After playing with this for a while, I found that keeping the text center makes a huge difference. It feels more natural since your eyes aren't moving side to side as much, making it less noticeable that you're reading from a script. Another cool thing is that this features voice sync, which uses voice recognition to help the text scroll with your speaking pace. Now in practice, I found this to work really well only when I have an external professional grade microphone connected to my laptop or PC. Otherwise, it does lag behind or it doesn't detect my voice at all, and the text just stays still. Overall, the Elgato Prompter XL brings in some major upgrades, and it's a great setup for streamers looking to see their chat feed in a bigger screen or for larger video production sets, especially when you need to keep the teleprompter further away because of our longer lens while still being able to read the text. That said, the original Elgato Prompter still makes a lot of sense for smaller desk setups where you don't want it to take up too much space. So the Camera Hub software worked really well and it's easy to use. Plus there's plenty of customization to make the text easier for you to see and follow. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech related content, and I will talk to you on the next one.